Hello everyone, let me introduce to you how to use the supply management system. So there are 5 users using this system, which is the student assistant, the program head, the coordinator, the vice for finance, and the last is the administrator. So first, the student assistant. So this is the request form for the office supplies. So just fill up the form. Purpose. Select description. Just click add new. Click everyone to add label type. So just click submit and okay. Okay. So if you notice this button, there are no approve button. So we need to open the program head account which is connected to the same department. So the department of the student system is ICT office. So we need to open the program head account. So this is the interface of the program head. So if we notice this is the approve button. So if the uh, if uh, if the request item is okay, just click approve. So be sure, just click approve. So you can see this. There are two notifications. So less pending requests. So there are two requests that will send to the administrator. So just will open the administrator account. So there are two request form will send to the administrator. So this is the interface of the administrator. So just click approve. Just click approve. So there are two request item are released by the administrator. So if the item is not in the supply office, so we need to request for purchase. So open the programmed account. So just click this receive office. No, just click purchase office supplies, and then just if needed, just fill up the form for purchase. Uh, Here's sample pin pieces. Ink. Just click submit. So they are one request for purchase. So just click approve to send to the administrator. So just open the administrator. Log out this account. Will open the administrator account. So you can see this. There one notification. Please requested for purchase of his supplies. So just click this. So you can view request item that will send the swell that will send from the program head. So just click approve. So that's the time we will open the Vice for Finance account. So just log out this account. So this is the interface of the Vice for Finance. So there are one notification. So if the request item are okay, just click approve. If not, just click cancel request for purchase. So if okay, just click approve. So they are one requested for purchase office supplies. So just log out this account. So we'll open um, the coordinator account. So this is the coordinator account. So this is um, just select department. It will it will it will request for office supplies. Just say ICT office. So just review this. So this is a form of the request for purchase order. So just print this. So it will display this one. So this is the supply management system of the flow of the management system. So thanks for watching.